Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Alright, I'll show you what I'm up to today, guys. Pretty nice day. It's a little overcast, but it's not hot. Check it out. Got a bunch of janky Mexicans next door over here. Yeah. Pounding and banging on that house for 4 months now, and it's still not done. Could have built it by now, rebuilt it. Alright, this is what we're doing today, guys. Let me set you down here. Let's see if we can get you to where you can see something. I don't know. Working on this little generator. Okay, I'll show you what I was doing. I just need the twist lock right here. I don't need this dumb 110 plug that nothing will stay plugged into it anyway because it just falls out because of the vibration. These circuit breakers quit working. They started where they would pop. You could plug in a nightlight and they just go pop. And I'm not joking about that either. I have a nightlight here somewhere. Where the heckleton did that go? Here it is. Yep, I have this little nightlight, LED. Any pull at all, that thing would pop. It's just pathetic. Alright, and then that means I didn't need the breaker for that. I took that out. This little meter that came with this generator, that died not very long after I bought this new. This died right away. So I eliminated all the crap that I don't use. I do need the battery charger. Oh, voltmeter beeped at me. Anyway, do need the battery charger. Once in a while I use that. And the circuit breaker for it still works good. The key switch for electric star, all this works, this whole panel. Both the twist locks work great. Perfect. I got 120 and 240 on this one. And I got 120 25 amp on the earth. 25 amp on this one and 25 on that one. So I don't need anything else. This generator 9 out of 10 times gets used for welding. So what I'm gonna do for now, just to plug these stupid holes so dirt daubers don't get in there. So I'm just gonna put some Gorilla Tape down through there until I get a chance to work on her a little more later, because I might put another twist lock in there. I have it for another twist lock. I have the plug, so I don't know, we'll see. I just wanted to plug some of these holes up so that our flying friends can't get in there and mess up our equipment. That'll work fine right there. Not exactly ideal. Eventually, after I get the twist lock put in, I will put some sheet metal over it. Anyways, and that's what we did on that. Because that's all I use it's just the twist lock. I don't use, this isn't like used for anything else. I only use the twist locks because these will stay plugged in. I mean, you put it in there like that and you twist it and it won't come out, it won't fall out from vibration. So to replace the breakers, I got me a household breaker box and I bolted it right to the frame, and now we got a good breaker. Alright, so, and then I got the extension cord run down to just a regular old house plug. And I can plug my little welder into that. And that's what I need. I need a plug in here that will stay plugged in instead of in the middle of a weld. It flies out. And I can plug my welder into that. Or whatever else I want to run off 120. And then I got 240 on right next to it, so perfect. All right, guys, that's what we did today. All right, happy 4th. Love y'all. Bye bye.